BTW 1836 Battery Operated Torque Wrench. Case video. Easily remove rusty bolts and specs from switch locations. Fast, be way ahead. One full charge, 4 speed 200N torque, can continuously install 800到900 M24 lugs. BTW 1836 Battery Operated Torque Wrench. Good tools make the work far faster. The unique high elastic shock absorption design can reduce the impact on the operator. The ergonomic design of the handle makes the operator more comfortable. One machine multi-purpose, suitable for vertical and horizontal two directions installation construction.